Hello everyone and welcome back to an episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing on some blind boxes. One of my new favorite things to unbox right now are the Smiskis. If you don't know what the Smiskis are, they're these really cute creatures. Don't know what type of creature, it's just a random kind of creature figure that glows in the dark, and there's different types of Smiskis. So I have a little hugger on my phone here. I got the sleeping one, and these actually attach to your phone. You can see the little booties hanging out there, and they actually all glow in the dark as well. So the first Smiski I'm going to unbox is actually not a blind box. You kind of already know exactly what it's going to be, but it's a cute little touch light, and it's one of the Smiski creatures with a cute little cat on its head, and it looks really kind of confused and shocked with its emotion. So let's open this up. Oh, this is so cute. And it's really squishy. So this is actually a light. And so the light you can turn on and off by just kind of like squishing it. So I'm really excited to put this kind of as my table side little reading light here, but look how cute. You can hear the air in there. And it actually charges with a charger in here, so you don't need any batteries, which is really nice. I was excited about that. So it's got this USB little charger here. He definitely needs to be charged, but let me see actually if it's charged. Oh no, it doesn't need to be charged yet. So let's see when you like squish it, if that like turns them off. Oh, it does turn. That's so cool. So let's see. And that's how I turn them on. So I just squish them down. You are the cutest Smiski ever. So now I'm starting a little Smiski family here. You can see I've got the sleeping one here. These two are wide awake. And so I have a couple of the blind boxes. Another one isn't a blind box. I already know which one it's going to be, which is this Toothbrush Stand Smiski. There are a couple different types. So there's one that's kind of sitting down and holding the toothbrush. There's one on its knees with a little baby Smiski holding up the brush, and one standing holding it. But I wanted the one that had it on its back. So let's open up this Smiski and see what he looks like. This is going to be my new toothbrush holder. Ooh, and this one is actually a blue variation. So instead of like this greenish kind of glow in the dark version, this one is a nice little pop of blue color. Let me see if I actually have a pen so I can kind of show you what it's going to look like when I am holding my toothbrush up. I guess you don't even need just a toothbrush. You could actually hold a pen up too. Look how cute! I'm obsessed. So until I get my toothbrush in there, he's just gonna hold up that pen for me. All right, now for the fun. So I got a couple different blind box Smiskis. So this one is the toilet Smiski. So these ones are really funny actually. They're in different random positions. There's one squatting, one looks like it has to like really go pee, it's holding the wall. One looks like it's already going pee. The other one is holding its nose. One is peeping around the door with a cup of coffee, and one's kind of sitting through some toilet paper. Looks like it's going to be a laying down one. So I'm not quite sure which one it is. I was trying to like shake it to kind of see if it was taller or if it was shorter. And I guess now we can see which one I actually got inside. They're all super cute, so honestly I really don't care which one I get, but this one definitely feels like it's going to be one of the taller variations. Let's open that up and see which one we have inside. Aw, this one's cute. There you go. So I think he is definitely in need of going to the bathroom, but that's going to be a nice friend for this one. How cute is he? Little guy making friends right now. And then let's see, which other ones do I have? Oh, these two are also glow in the dark, just a blue variation. So the next ones I got two from the same collection. And this one you can basically put on your shelves. They just, some are sitting, some are standing, some are looking over their shoulder. One's kind of laying down. It's really cute. Let me just show you. It's really small, but maybe, just maybe, you can kind of see the box and what that looks like for the different variations. All right, and this is just called Series 1, Glow in the Dark Smiskis. So I'm gonna open this blind box up. I'm just really hoping I didn't get 2 of the same one because that would be really annoying. I don't really care again which one I get. I just hope that it's not the same one as the one that I'm gonna open up in this box. All right. Okay, yep, so this one's different. Oh, look how cute. So he is gonna be standing kind of looking over his shoulder. And that guy is the same kind of color as my hugger here. So it looks like they are related. This one, or hipper. Did they say hugger? The hipper. Okay. So fingers crossed this one is not the same Smiski as that one. Let's open it up and... Ooh. Literally just swatted myself with this piece of paper. Okay, now we're gonna open this one up and see what we have inside. Alright, going through the same guy. Oh, it's a different guy, yay! This one's cute too. I'm not quite sure what emotion he is, but this one definitely is gonna need to lean. Oh wait, this is the laying one, never mind. I was like, you can't stand. Look how cute! Oh, I'm so glad I got a laying one and one that was kind of standing looking behind his shoulder. Yay, I didn't get the same ones. It's just a toss-up with these blind boxes. It's basically like gambling. You just don't know which ones you're gonna get. I'm really happy with the ones I unboxed though, and I have this cute little lamp that I'm gonna put on the side of my bed now. Got one for my phone. We got some friends for the bathroom now. And I'm probably gonna put these 2 little guys on my shelf back here. So you'll start seeing my Smiskis hanging out with my Labubu's over here. If you are a fan of Smiskis, let me know. I think that these creatures are absolutely adorable. And I had to get a couple just because I've been obsessed with them, honestly, for a really long time. And finally, I was just going to pull the trigger because I went into the pick store and they had them available. So if you have a pick store near you, highly recommend grabbing a couple of these cute little creatures. They are some of my favorite pieces to collect right now. All right, everyone, that is it for this episode. If you joined us for the first time and haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that before you go down below and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all on the next episode.